I am Lydia Nebel. I'm the farm director here at Casey Farm School. So my role has been in the implementation of the water catchment grant. We were awarded this SARE grant that is specifically around building water catchment and trying to make it accessible for farmers in all different kinds of situations, that they can build it on their farm in their location. So we have 3 different farms. We're tracking not only the water, what water we're using, the water catchment, how that improves the farm irrigation, but then also the cost for farmers, because a big point of it is not just for our farms to improve, but so that other, specifically urban, small scale, peri-urban farmers can implement these practices to help with their production. Everywhere, but we especially love when Kansas City has more great production going on. So my role has been in the implementation of the water catchment grant, and behind us is our high tunnel that we are going to be installing the gutters on this week. We've got IBC totes inside, and then we're also going to do some outside storage. So the reason it's important here is because we are off-grid here, so we have the solar-powered pump that we're going to be able to get water even without having electricity here. And then also we're actually already running into an issue on our city water. We just don't have the pipe size that we need to water everywhere all at once, which is what an active farm needs. And so we're really looking forward to having another water source that isn't dependent on that city water. Also, if people have produced in high tunnels, then they know that the buildup from not having any rainwater to clear that out and being only on city water. So the chemicals that are used, the salt building up, and then just the general not ever having a cleanse of non-chlorinated water can really impact your quality of your microbiome, your plants, your irrigation system. And so having that rainwater to keep that cleaned out is really exciting. I would say that the biggest success from this grant is the working together of the different parties. So we have 3 active farms, multiple farmers from those places, an engineer that does our research and volunteers with us. We also have multiple directors from our organization. So we've all gotten to collaborate, and getting to see the beneficial impact of us just trading information, having a meeting time, working on each other's farms has already beneficially impacted us. And I'm hopeful that even once the grant is finished, that we will continue that, because we are now the experts on these pieces of infrastructure.